Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Urban Diaries. Today's video is gonna be very special because today I'm gonna test you on your grammar skills. Whether you are a student or a working employee, you often get stuck with some confusing sentences and phrases, and it's very unlikely that you don't commit any mistakes. So this test is gonna help you to check your grammar level. So get out the pen and a paper and write down your answers, and I want you to comment below your score out of 10, and if you get any wrong, don't worry, I'll help you with a short explanation. We'll start when you're ready. Alright then, let's get started. Number 1. Over time, the dash of loud music can damage your hearing. So what's the correct word to be put here? Affect or effect? So the correct answer is, over the time, the effect of loud music can damage your hearing. So affect and effect are different in meaning. Also, affect is chiefly used as a verb and its main meaning is to influence or make a difference to. As in the following sentence, the weather will affect my plans for the weekend. Effect, on the other hand, is used both as a noun and as a verb. As a noun, it means a result or an influence, as in this example. Keep working until you get the effect you want. So the key thing to remember is that effect is mostly used as a noun, whereas affect is typically used as a verb. Number 2. I didn't dash your point. Get or got? Guess the correct answer. So the correct answer is, I didn't get your point. In any sentence, when did is already there as a supporting verb, always use verb's base form. So yeah, I didn't get your point. Number 3. Fill this blank. Did you see the dress dash I bought yesterday? That or which? So the correct answer is, did you see the dress that I bought yesterday? So we'll use that here because in every defining clause we only use that, not which. Number 4. Because of his behavior, he now has dash friends. Fewer or less? So the correct answer is, because of his behavior, he now has fewer friends. Generally, fewer is used when the number of things is counted, for example, fewer friends and fewer things, whereas less is used when the number can't be counted. So you may say that fewer is used for countable noun and less for uncountable noun. Number 5. This book contains a lot of dash on Thomas Hardy. Information or informations? So there is no plural form of the verb information. So the correct sentence would be, this book contains a lot of information on Thomas Hardy. Number 6. Rome dash not built in a day. This is a very famous proverb, so I suppose you know the answer. So the correct answer is, Rome was not built in a day. This sentence is in passive voice where we use was plus verb's third form. Hence the famous proverb, Rome was not built in a day. Number 7. Neither of us dash going to the party. Is or are? If you know the subject and verb agreement rules, this one would be an easy peasy exercise for you. I've already made a video on that topic. If you haven't watched it yet, you can watch it now. So the correct answer is, neither of us is going to the party. If there is neither or either in any sentence, we count them as singular person. Hence, is will be used here. Number 8. She wanted nothing more than dash down and take rest. Lie down or lay down? What's the correct answer? So the correct answer is, she wanted nothing more than lie down and take rest. You lie down but you lay something down. So lie does not require a direct object. As in the sentence, I want to lie down and take rest. On the other hand, lay requires a direct object, an object that you will lay down. For example, lay down this book on the table. Number 9. I used to dash early in the morning. Wake up or woke up? So the correct answer is, I used to wake up early in the morning. When the first verb of any sentence has already changed its form, then the second verb in the same sentence has to be used in its base form. Number 10. I'm going to China with my friend dash I met 3 months ago. Whom or who? We need an object here, and whom is an object. So the correct answer is I'm going to China with my friend whom I met 3 months ago. Wow, that was exciting. And as promised, you're gonna write down your scores in the comment section below. And I'm sure you must have got an idea of the mistakes you were making earlier. So that's it for this video. Please hit the like button if you really like the video. I'll be back again with a new video. Till then, bye bye, take care and happy learning.